G'day viewers, it's Craig here again from Bendigo Hydroblasting. Got a little bit of a treat for the Honda Odyssey owners today. Customers dropped in some engine cases, cylinder head and carby and a couple other bits for a freshen up. I'll give you a look at the bits. Here's all the bits here. Everything's a little bit cruddy. They might need a bit of a pre-clean. Clutches there, carby. Engine cases are not bad, but they'll come up really nice when I'm done. And the cylinder head there, so as you can see, that's not real flash either. I think we'll give the crankcases a go first, so I'll do both of those and then give you a look at what they came out like. Hurly burly. Those cases came up looking delicious. We'll get them out of there and we'll give the carby a go next. Righto, there's the carby. It's turned now. Let's see if we can make that look half decent. There's the carby looking very spiffy. We'll give this clutch a bit of a go on over now. That clutch is looking much better for the occasion. We've only done the outside of it. The customer's broken a bolt there, so he's going to take it home, disassemble it and clean any glass residue out from the inside. So he's well aware that that could be an issue. We'll have a go at the cylinder head next. Well, that's the head there. That's looking very shiny. Much better than what it was. I think it'll look very nice when it's all together. We'll move on to that cylinder next. Here's the cylinder here, a bit hard to see, but that's been rebored. So what I'm going to do before I blast this is I'll tape up the inside of that cylinder and cover up these ports so I don't blast the inside, and yeah, I'll give you a look at that when it's taped up. Well, you can see what I've done here, folks. Well, I hope you can see. I've taped up the inside of the bore, so that should protect that hone surface from any accidental direct impact. I've poked rags down inside the inlet ports and tape those up so that it doesn't blast the inside of the tape on the cylinder. And I've also made up a couple of plates, put them on the exhaust and intake ports so that once again we don't get direct pressure on the inside of that tape and impact the hone surface. Let's give it a go now and we'll see how it comes out. That's the cylinder done, looking a treat now. What we'll do now is we'll pull it out of the booth, we'll pull all the tape and stuff off it and the plates, give it a wash down, blow it dry, and then give you another look. Well, that's that cylinder done. Came up looking very sexual and no damage to that hone surface at all. That's another classic save from the scrap heap, Honda Odyssey. Late 70s, I think. But anyhow, hope you got something from this video. If you did and you want to see more, just hit that subscribe button. You can like my Facebook page, Bendigo Hydroblasting. And if on YouTube, if you hit that little thumbs up button, it says you like it. and makes me feel good. Thanks again, folks. Until next time.